One of the best experience about this program was the actual lectures and the classes and the professors themselves. I mean, they're brilliant in their own right, each one of them in their own area of teaching. You know, they're very knowledgeable, they're very experienced, they have a wealth of knowledge not only within China but outside of China as well.
Hi, I'm Alex, University of Michigan, Ross, doing the Doing Business in China program with PKU. It has been really cool to see the ways in which business in China is unique and different, but also in the ways that business is done the exact same, and just being able to tie those two together has been a great experience for me.
Hi, my name is Mauricio. I'm from Costa Rica and I come from Queen's University in Canada. I think the Doing Business in China program has been great at teaching us where China is moving in terms of its age demographics, marketing, and where they want to operate in business. On that same note, the company visits have been great at showing us where and how Chinese companies operate inside the country and how they're looking to grasping the rest of the world.
It's an excellent opportunity. We are visiting amazing companies and we are having the chance to know other people from different countries. It's a great experience. We know each other, we have networking opportunities. At the same time, we are learning a lot about the culture.
My name is Gabriel. I believe that the Guanghua Doing Business in China program really changed my life with the connections I made over the 2 weeks I was here. And it really helped me appreciate the culture and understand how business is conducted in China.